Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy Bitcoin on Webull. First, you'll need to open and verify your Webull brokerage account. Once that's done, fund your account with at least $100. You can easily link your bank account for this. It's crucial to ensure your account is approved for cryptocurrency trading before moving forward with any purchases. Now, let's find Bitcoin. Open your Webull app and head over to the Markets tab. From there, you'll see a crypto section. Tap on that to explore all the cryptocurrencies available for trading. Scroll through the list until you find Bitcoin, often abbreviated as BTC. It's usually near the top. Once you've found Bitcoin, tap on it and then select the Trade button. You'll then choose your preferred order type. A market order executes immediately at the current price, while a limit order lets you set a specific price. Finally, enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, or simply a dollar amount. Before finalizing, always take a moment to review all your order details to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will typically appear in your Webull crypto account within moments. You can then easily monitor its performance and manage your entire cryptocurrency portfolio directly within the Webull application.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.